What's up, streamers? So today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Elgato Streamdeck to launch your entire setup with the press of one button. Guys, if you like the video, don't be afraid to hit that thumbs up button and that fat red subscribe button as well. All my links are down in the description. It would mean the world to me if you jumped on those as well. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so we are over here on the Streamdeck default profile. What I want to do is right click this button and create a multi-action. That's going to allow one press to do a whole bunch of different things. We're then going to press actions here and we can start dragging in what we want it to do. So the first thing I want is a website to open. I run closed captions on my stream through a website. So I'm going to title this CC and copy and paste the URL in this box here. Access in background is completely fine because I don't want it to boot over everything. I just kind of want it to be there. The next thing I'm going to do is go and drag in an open key. We are going to have OBS open up. So I'm going to navigate to that and do Stream Elements OBS Live, which is what I use. Open. Okay, so that's going to open up OBS now. The next thing I'm going to do is drag another open over, and we're going to set this one to Spotify because I do run Spotify on my stream most of the time. And now that that's done, I'm going to also drop in a hue sync for my lighting. So this lighting here behind me is actually connected to my Stream Deck as well. And that is literally it, guys. You might run different things on your setup, so you want to drag in the appropriate things. I use that. I've got a couple of other things as well, but they're pretty much just system open buttons. When you press back here, you've got this button. You can name it. So let's just go with open or start, like that. And now when I click that button, everything that I have on there will boot. It's really easy for if you're starting streaming in the morning and you don't want to have to go through and remember all these things to open. You can just click this button and it opens everything, and it's amazing. It's such a good time. So yeah, that is literally it, the multifunction and to open up everything that you use on your stream. Real simple video, guys, and I hope this was helpful to you. So thank you so much for watching once again, and happy streaming.